Hey everyone! Today we are opening the Lenovo Legion 5i 15-inch Gen 11. You can find the full review, benchmarks, display tests, and more on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's begin. To reach the components, we need to undo 10 screws and remove the bottom cover. We are using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. These two screws in the middle, between the hinges, are longer than the others. With a thin plastic tool, we start releasing the clips that hold the cover. Be careful not to slide the tool too far inside because you can damage a component. The bottom cover is now removed. This is the battery connector, and it should be disconnected first. The primary SSD is a short 2242 module. The second M.2 slot is empty for upgrades. Under this EMI and RFI shield are the two DDR5 so DIMM slots. This is the Wi-Fi 7 card. Here next to the memory is the processor. Below them is the discrete GeForce RTX 5060. The cooling system uses two fans. We start with the battery. Be careful near the connector, because small soldered components sit very close to it. We remove the three screws that hold the battery in place. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. And don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. This is an 80 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Now we remove the primary M.2 SSD. It is a 1 TB Samsung NVMe drive. We place it back in the slot. It can also fit a longer drive. Both storage slots are M.2 PCI Express 4x4 with the second left for expansion. Now we lift the metal shield over the memory area. Try not to peel off the strip that bridges the shield and the heat pipes. Two thermal pads stayed attached to the memory module on the right. We remove one memory module from its slot. This unit uses two 16GB SK Hynix DDR5 SO-DIMM modules. Now we remove the other module as well. Together, the two slots support dual-channel memory. Then we reinstall it in the slot. These metal clips hold the shield. Aim at the center of each one because they can bend or break easily. Before pressing down, check that the shield is centered over all the clips. We put the battery back in place, secure it with its 3 screws, and reconnect the cable. And that is the internal layout of the Lenovo Legion 5i. On laptopmedia.com, you can find our thermal results, display analysis, battery tests, and upgrade notes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more laptop reviews.